Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make channel on WhatsApp. So for that, first of all, open up the Play Store or the App Store and update your WhatsApp. So once you updated the WhatsApp, then as you can see, this is iPhone. So I'm going to the update section here. So the place where you can see the status, that's where it's going to show the channels feature. Okay, now I can see the channels here, and there is a plus sign in front of it. Okay, so if I am going to click on the plus sign, then I will find two options. One of them is to create channels and another one is to find channels. So right now it is a new feature and it is rolling out. That's why you may or may not have the create channel options. However, many people are getting it inside them. I don't have it right now. So you'll get create channels and find channels. So if you go on create channel, then you need to upload the a channel pic, then a description and all those things. Okay, so from there from here itself, by clicking on the plus sign, you can create a new channel for yourself on WhatsApp. So this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.